My friends, welcome back to 200 3D CAD problems in FreeCAD series. Today, in exercise 73, I want to address this problem with three different sketches. So let's go ahead and then start processing our image. I want to take the longest dimension on 20 drawing and 10 caliber. I want to keep it on Y plane. Let's start with XY plane, right? And let's go ahead and bring our axis cross back with AC keyboard and then relocate image one of its corners. Actually, now that I'm thinking more about, I want to start from front view. My opinion, XZ plane. Let's go ahead and place it on XZ plane. Find it on front. Now I want to transform it one of the corners. That that looks about right. Let's take the axis cross out of our way and start sketching. So our first sketch would be on XZ plane, that's where the image is, and start drawing this base plane. As usual, I'm using part workbench to build this object. I could do the same object in part design as well. Nothing much would change, but part workbench is default in my software. So this will be 60. This will be 30 in height. Go ahead and guess 7 point. Actually, it's 15, and that constrains it. So I want to use this sketch to build this pad, and I am going to say my sketch is located here, so I'll push it backward for 120 millimeters. Rename the sketch base, then extrude that for 120 millimeter. I'm going to say backward. It does not matter which way it goes. Either way is fine, but I decided I'll place this sketch on here and then build it. So there it is, my sketch, my base done. The next I want to build this back wall, so which will be on this image. So let's go ahead and then change the image to YZ plane, right? Now let's relocate the image one more time, bring it over. Have the image located. Now I want to say I want to build another sketch on YZ plane, right? And on this one, sketch is pretty simple. I want to start from here, I want to go there, I want to come here with the arc, so M, M, and M. And then I want to come down all the way down here, so it will be vertical in a minute. then bring back. Let's go ahead and then specify this distance as 15, right? This will be vertical, and then this will be diameter 60, which means radius 30. And what else? Okay, this length will be 120. Know that. And then only other thing is the height of this center is 65. It is given, and that constrains our object, right? And that wall sketched, the sketch wall, and I want to pull it towards me for this thickness, which is 20 there. The last thing we have to do is do this collar thing with the hole in the middle, which we can do easily using that this sketch as our reference. So I'm going to go ahead and hide this, bring this sketch back, and I'm going to say I will draw another sketch top of the YZ plane, right? And I want to pull in this arc. Let's see that. Let's go ahead and hide the image for now. So I was gonna go ahead and pull in this geo, and now I can bring the image. I could do the same thing with a primitive, um, but let's go ahead and then try this option. Okay, this is diameter 40, means radius 20, dot 1. That constrains our sketch. This is the hole. Can pull that forward for 40. Let's bring back our wall, and there it is. So we have the wall and we have the hole, but the wall is solid up there. We want to make a hole. So let's see if we can use our connect tool to make this. So I want to select this wall and this hole, this color, and come here and say connect objects. That took care of our hole. So that makes one object. These two, take the rest of the object and make it a union. Rename that to say final object. It is. That's our final object. I can refine it to make it look good. Doesn't change much, but still. I hope you liked this process. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.